So, I want to rebuttal the argument from affirmative, of course, about our motion. As a middle-class parent, this house would support their child's choice to prioritize formal educations in favor of pursuing digital creative skills or career. So, affirmative said that today's life is creative, so it doesn't really need formal education anymore. I don't agree with that because of how children have low creativity. Due to the fact that not all children have good creativity, so of course if they are only supported more to pursuing digital careers, which must have more creativity, of course they will have difficult. I mean, like children who excel in academics such as math, English, physics, and other subjects, where most of them have aspiration in the fields they like to, such as becoming teachers, lecturers, doctors, or other traditional jobs. Of course, that really needs focus on formal educations, because the jobs mentioned above require high requirements. Of course, not all children aspire to be in digital career. We as parents also have to think about what they really want. I have two arguments. I will explain to you one by one. First, the impact if all children are supported for digital careers. If all children are supported into digital careers, of course, there will be many next generation will have aspiration in digital field. Then what about traditional jobs in a country? Who will continue these jobs? Because it's impossible for a country to survive if there are no or few human resources working in the field of traditional workers. Example of traditional jobs that I mean here are doctors, teachers, farmers, fishermen, and others. Imagine if the number of teachers in the future decrease. Of course, the next generations will find it difficult to get knowledge because of limitation teacher. How can a country develop if there are many uneducated people? And also imagine, what if the number of doctors in the future decreased? Who will help the community when they are stricken with various diseases? Where should the community go if they need treatment? And imagine if there are no farmer or fishermen or jobs that produce other food ingredients. How will we can eat if the people who produce foodstuff are reduced? Of course, there will be a lot of problems that will arise if all children are interested in digital career and start to forgetting traditional career. And the second of my argument is the dangerous if the child is supported for digital career for middle class parents and for the child. If the child is supported in digital career, of course, it also requires a lot of digital equipment, which we know the price is also quite expensive for middle class. Of course, it will be very disturbing to the family economy. For example, to buy digital tools such as camera, computer, cell phones, where it's just the basic tools. What we really know is not cheap. How can we as parents fulfill all if we are in the middle class? And for children, of course, it will also be dangerous. If staring at digital screen for too long will affect the child's eyesight and brain work becomes lower. Then how can they be creative if their health is disturbing? So that's my argument. Thanks for attention.